Understanding cool one's heels, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we're going to unravel the meaning, origin, and usage of the phrase, cool one's heels. This idiom is quite intriguing, and understanding it will not only enhance your vocabulary but also give you a glimpse into the cultural aspects of the English language. So, let's get started and dive into the world of idioms. The phrase, cool one's heels, is used to describe the act of waiting for a long period, especially when the wait is frustrating or caused by a delay. It's often used in situations where someone feels they are wasting time or being intentionally kept waiting. The imagery here is almost literal, as if one is sitting or standing so long in one place that their heels, quite humorously, have time to cool down. Understanding the origin of idioms can be fascinating and helps us appreciate their usage in modern language. The phrase, cool one's heels, dates back to the late 16th to early 17th century. Initially, it was associated with prisoners who were left to wait in their cells, having nothing to do but literally cool their heels. Over time, this expression transcended its original context and became a popular way to express the act of waiting in general, not just in confinement. Now that we know what the phrase means and where it comes from, let's see how to use it properly in conversation or writing. Here are a few examples. 1. I spent the whole afternoon cooling my heels in the doctor's office before I finally got to see him. 2. She was cooling her heels at the airport as her flight was delayed due to the storm. 3. They had me cool my heels in the lobby until the manager was ready to see me. Notice how in each example, the phrase effortlessly conveys the frustration and the tediousness of waiting. Thank you for joining me in today's lesson about the idiom, cool one's heels. I hope this video has been enlightening and that you can now use this phrase confidently in your own conversations. Remember, idioms like this one add color and depth to our language, making it more vivid and expressive. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to cool your heels through more of our language learning videos. Until next time, happy learning!